What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today in the very exciting tech video for you guys. And if you own a pool in your backyard like I do, you know that the dream of pool ownership is to spend more time in the water having fun with your family and friends. But pool maintenance has a way of creeping into your everyday life in a way that you might not enjoy. You notice that there's debris on the bottom, that the water line's looking rough, it's got some leaves in there, and then this becomes more stress than it's actually worth. That's why today we're taking a look at a product that can help you out with this and get you back to enjoying your pool. This is the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner, and my first impression honestly wasn't just curiosity about the specs, but it was relief that I would no longer have to worry about pool cleaning myself, and that this cordless pool robot can handle cleaning without needing constant babysitting, and that's exactly what I wanted. If it works the way it's supposed to, this is the kind of thing that can actually make owning a pool fun again, which is exactly what you want. After spending time with it, there are two features that stood out to me immediately: the runtime and the AI timer. Those are the two things that really grabbed my attention first because they change how this fits into your life. This is not just about whether it can clean, it's about whether it can make pool upkeep feel less annoying and less demanding. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner works, how effective it was in my real backyard residential pool, and whether this is a smart investment if you want to take back enjoyment of your pool and start doing less maintenance yourself. Let's jump right into it. Before we get into the deep testing, just taking it out of the box and taking a look at the product, I love the design, and you can tell that this was purpose-built to be used in a real-world setting, and it's not built just to kind of wow you with fancy specs. And I really like that. It seems very durable, taking it directly out of the packaging. And that brings me back to those two features I talked about before. First, let's talk about the long runtime and the AI timer. With an AI timer and up to 6 hours of runtime, this is the first cordless pool cleaner I've used where the ideal actually starts to feel stress-free. You're not constantly thinking about battery life or whether it has enough juice to finish the cleaning job or whether you need to go immediately deal with it again. There's a sense of freedom here that I think a lot of pool owners are going to appreciate. It is pretty much the first time that cordless range anxiety has disappeared with a robot like this. You can drop it in, let it do its thing, and go on with your weekend. This is a much better ownership experience than having to babysit it, check your phone to see the battery percentage, because then you're basically still kind of on call, feel like you're doing the work yourself. So if you're replacing the physical work of cleaning the pool with the mental work of checking on the bot, that's no good. But here with the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner, I didn't have any of that, and that's something that I really appreciated. Now let's talk a little bit about the setup process, because when you get out of the box, you need to set it up, and first impressions matter, so let's see how easy that is to do. Getting started with the iGarden is pretty straightforward. It's the kind of product where people don't want a long learning curve, and thankfully it does not feel that way. The setup process basically has controls that are approachable and feels like something most pool owners could start using without much friction. That matters because convenience is a huge part of the appeal here. A pool cleaner only really helps you if it's easy enough to use on a regular basis. If the setup was annoying or operations too complicated, people tend to use products like this left often, and with the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner, the experience is much more approachable. I also like that this has a cordless design because it keeps the whole process cleaner and less cumbersome. You're not dealing with that extra cord in the way that can sometimes make pool maintenance equipment feel like more hassle than it's worth, make you just want to get out a net and start cleaning it manually. Thankfully, iGarden thought this through. The setup is very easy to do. Pair it with your phone, and off you go. Of course, none of these features would matter if it didn't actually clean the pool. So let's take a look at some cleaning footage and see how well it does its job. One of the big selling points here is the full coverage, and that includes the floor, the walls, and the water line. And this is where a product like this starts to feel worth it or not, and you can really tell. In actual use, what I wanted to see was whether it looked methodical and whether it was covering the pool in a way that felt intentional. I don't want a cleaner that just randomly drifts around and leaves you guessing. What I want is something that looks like it has a plan. And that's where the 3D S-Path navigation comes in. You can actually see that more structured mover pattern, and I think that helps a lot with the confidence that people have when they take a look at this bot and see that it has a plan for cleaning your pool. It gives the impression that the robot's working systematically rather than just wandering around the pool, hoping for the best and to scoop up a few leaves. And on the floor of the pool, it does exactly what you would want a robotic cleaner to do. It gets all of that debris that is sunk to the bottom. It picks up that debris without making the whole process look chaotic as well. When it transitions to the walls, and especially the water line, that's where it starts to feel more complete as a cleaner, because those are the areas that can really make a pool look neglected if they're not maintained with a bunch of leaves, dirt, and debris floating on the top. Overall, I was incredibly impressed with how thoroughly the iGarden Robotic Cleaner cleaned my pool. It left no mess. You've got all the leaves that are floating on the top gone. Any debris that sunk to the bottom was also taken care of. It can handle larger debris and also rocks and pebbles and fine debris like dirt with no problem. Next, let's talk about turbo mode, because this is a feature that if you really need to do some heavy cleaning, you're going to appreciate. This feature makes sense when your pool needs more than just a light upkeep. Maybe you have extra heavy debris, conditions have been rough, there's been weather going on. Maybe you just want a deeper clean. Turbo mode gives the product a stronger, I can handle more today feeling, and that matters because pools are not always in the same condition every day. Again, weather has a lot to do with this. This feature is great when you have a pool that has that extra dirt. It takes care of everything, and I tested this by throwing quite a bit of extra dirt and debris into my pool, and it handled it with no problem. This gives you extra flexibility, especially if you live somewhere where there's high winds, it's gonna be blowing a lot of stuff off trees into your pool. Turbo mode can handle that with absolutely no issues whatsoever. So let's talk about the general ownership experience and usability and how much this actually took away from my manual maintenance. This is where I think the iGarden has positioned this well. The cleaner is not just about replacing one cleaning session, it's about making pool care feel less repetitive, and that's a big difference. If you have a product that's easy to use, has strong runtime, schedule cleaning like the AI timer, and can cover areas that people actually care about, then what you have is something that reduces the friction of pool ownership. That's a real win, and that's exactly what I felt like in my day-to-day with the iGarden Robotic Cleaner. Took a lot of the manual thought and even emotional load of having to deal with pool maintenance, so I was able to enjoy the pool on the weekend with my kids and not think about having to clean it during the weekdays or on Friday night. And when you think about buying this, things like durability, support, and warranty matter as well. No one wants to buy pool equipment that feels disposable. There's a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support with iGarden. That helps reinforce that this is meant to be a longer-term solution and not just a short-term novelty, which can give you real peace of mind. So summing up and kind of thinking about how this fits into my life, my favorite two features, that long runtime and the AI timer, what it really comes down to for me, those are the two things that make this feel like something that takes the physical, mental, emotional load off of you, of caring for your pool, and gives you the enjoyment of your pool again with friends and family. It has all those other great features we mentioned, plus it cleans really thoroughly, the walls, the sides, the floor, it cleans the top of your pool, the surface, it gets all the leaves, all the junk out of there, it does a great job, and everything else is easy to use with the interface. It's a substantially built product that looks very svelte, but for me, it comes down to the fact that it really takes that load off of you with doing your pool maintenance. If you guys are interested in the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner, you can check out the link in the pinned comment description for any relevant deals, discounts, etc. If you are a pool owner who's looking to get rid of that manual maintenance and care, it definitely makes a lot of sense. Great price, great value, and does an excellent job cleaning the pool. If you guys have any questions for me about using it here in my pool in Phoenix, Arizona, I'm happy to get back to you guys. Drop those below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.